Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday. Yay! We get a 3-day weekend. I hope you guys are super excited because you get to rest an extra day. Now let's go ahead and begin with our morning meeting. But before we begin, I do want to know how you guys are feeling. Are you on the red side? Are you on the yellow side, on the green side, or on the blue side? Right now I am feeling calm. It's early in the morning, so I am feeling calm and ready to conquer the day. Now let's go ahead and begin with the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Now, let's go ahead and go over our Texas pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Now, today is Friday. Everybody together. Today is, get ready, Friday. Yesterday was Thursday. Everybody together. Yesterday was, get ready, Thursday. Tomorrow will be Saturday. Everybody together. Tomorrow will be, get ready, Saturday. And the month is September. This is our new month, September. Let's go ahead and go over today's date. Today is September 4th, 2020. Everybody together, get ready. Today is September 4th, 2020. And we have the little sun right here because it's Friday and September the 4th. This is our calendar. Now today's weather is sunny. It's been pretty hot outside. It's been very sunny. The temperature is 100 degrees. Ooh, it's super hot. I believe next week it's going to go down to the 90s, which is better than 100 or 110. So boys and girls, let's remember to stay active. You guys can do some yoga at home, walk, do some play some soccer or football. Make sure you exercise or join the Special Olympics once we get back to campus, boys and girls. But make sure we're drinking plenty of water and eating healthy because it is super hot outside and you don't want to become dehydrated. Now the life skills lesson for this week was folding clothes. And today's agenda is to work on IEPs or the new student bundle. So this is what we're going to do today. If you need any help or have any questions, this is my email, Ms. Brenda Martinez. We have Ms. Carrillo's email, Mr. Guzman's email, and Mrs. De La Garza's email. Have a great day, boys and girls.